Welcome to the visualfractions.com YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to demonstrate how to divide fractions, specifically 1/8 by 1/6. First, let's understand our problem. We're dealing with two fractions. The first has a numerator of 1 and a denominator of 8, and the second has a numerator of 1 and a denominator of 6. The process of dividing fractions requires a little twist. You keep the first fraction as is, take the reciprocal of the second fraction, which means you flip it, and then you multiply. So, let's perform the division. 1. Keep the first fraction. 1/8 remains as 1/8. 2. Take the reciprocal of the second fraction. The reciprocal of 1/6 is 6 over 1 or just 6, because you flip the numerator and denominator. 3. Now, multiply the two. 1/8 multiplied by 6 over 1. To multiply, you multiply the numerators together and then the denominators. 1 multiplied by 6 gives us 6. Next, 8 multiplied by 1 gives us 8. Hence, 1/8 divided by 1/6 equals 6/8. But we're not finished yet. This fraction can be simplified. Both the numerator and the denominator are divisible by 2, the largest number that can divide both. 6 divided by 2 is 3, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So, 6/8 simplifies to 3/4. That's our final answer. And there you go. You've now successfully learned how to divide 1/8 by 1/6 and simplify the result. Fraction division can be that easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, we invite you to like and subscribe for more math tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to helping you with more math in the future.